नर्मदे देवी शतवत्सरी। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम। अब मेरे दरबार करो भक्ति राम श्री महाराज कमरों में अनंतवती स्थापना का धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात विष्णुपाद
So we were discussing about Shishi Bhajan Rahasya, and that Pancham Yang Sadhana. So we were discussing about Aprahan Kali Leela. So the more sadhak will do Harinam, so her heart will be clean. There are many kinds of sadhana available, just like 64 kinds of limbs of bhakti. There are 64 limbs of bhakti, taking shelter of Guru Pad Padma. And after that there are 9 kinds of limbs. Shravan, Kirtana, Vishnu, and after that are 5 limbs of bhakti, sadhasana, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravana, Mathura Vas, Shri Vigyaradi Puja. And then after that 3 limbs of bhakti, Shravan, Kirtana, Smara. Then and 3 of them topmost is Harinam Sankirtan. So there are many kinds of limbs of bhakti, but Harinam is the topmost in this Kali. If someone taking the name of Hari without offense, then he will get the prem of Bhagwan. Okay, if someone is doing Harinam without offense, then he will get the auspicious things. So in this world, which is the auspicious worlds are available, the Nam Sankirtan is topmost. So what is the taking shelter of Nam Prabhu? It's Rup Goswami Pad is saying about. Rupa Goswami Pad is saying.
भगवान के ऐसे मधुर नाम कीर्तन करें
So please always chanting the sweet holy name of Bhagwan,
व्रत संबंधी लीलायुक्त नाम
which must be inbuilt with the Braj
व्रत संबंधी
pastimes.
लीलायुक्त नाम जैसे श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन वृंदावन चंद्र
Just like Shyam Sundar, Madan Mohan, Vrindavan Chand, Gopijan Ballam, Ras Bihari, Ras Raseshwari,
ये समस्त नाम क्या
these all kinds of names.
व्रत माधुर्य लीलायुक्त नाम
This is all included Braj Madhurya Leela.
कीर्तन करने के साथ
When we doing kirtan of these names,
साधक के हृदय में
sadhak will get
प्रेम माधुर्य
the prema madhurya in her heart. Spontaneously it manifested in the heart of sadhak.
शुद्ध कीर्तन नाम स्मृत क्रमेण रसना मनसी निजते और कैसे रहना चाहिए
And
ब्रज में वास करना चाहिए
how we should live like, then we should always reside in Braj.
और कदम रागी जनाम भागी और ब्रज में कैसे रहना है
How we have to live in Braj?
ब्रज में ऐसे भक्त जिसके हृदय ब्रज रस में डूबे थे
We have to live with that Brajvasi whose heart has totally drawn into the love of Krishna, love of Bhava, love of Braj Prema, so that you can, by getting their Sangha, like getting their company, you will get their bhavs in your heart too.
नित्य सिद्ध ब्रजवासी आप माधुर्य अंगत्व
You should always perform the Nam Sandar under the guidance of Nitya Siddha Brajvasis who have love in their heart.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
About this Nam Sankirtan was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explaining. So we have already discussed about one shloka, Chetu Darpana Maya.
श्रेयकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दोदीवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णमृतस्यादम् सर्वात्मस्वपरं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम् परम विजयते
Shri Krishna Sankirtana.
श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तन ये श्री संकीर्तन ही विशेष रूप से
This Shri Sankirtan is especially Jayukta.
सर्वोपरि
It is the topmost.
क्योंकि और किसी प्रकार साधना के द्वारा
In any other sadhans,
कलयुग में
in this Kali Yuga,
भगवत प्राप्ति संभव
it's not possible to attain Bhagavan.
है हरे नाम
That is why it is saying,
हरे नाम हरे
Name Vakevali
जीवन
Kalau Naste
नास्ते व
Naste Gataran.
कर्म ज्ञान योग
Karma Jnana Yoga Tapasya.
आदि के
Adi,
द्वारा
etc. Performing all these sadhan, you cannot get the Bhagavan.
एकमात्र नाम
Only one and only taking the shelter of Harinam, one can get the Bhagavan.
जप करने पर
When we do Harinam, all kinds of sadhan
हो जाता है
is automatically done. When you are performing Harinam, all kinds of sadhan is done automatically.
क्या विश्वास होना चाहिए
That is called firm faith.
ये नाम करने पर
So while chanting the holy name,
कर्म ज्ञान योग तपस्या
Karma Jnana Yoga Tapasya, the fruit of that.
भगवान आदि के फल किसमें मिलता
So what is the Havan Adi ka Phal?
है? नाम के द्वारा।
If you are performing Havan, so if you are performing Havan, you will get the fruit by chanting the holy name.
सात मोड़। कलयुग में केवल
In this Kali Yuga, Keval, only one and only, you have to chant the holy name.
विश्वास हो जाए,
We always used to speak, but we don't have firm faith. If we have the firm faith, then automatically the love will be in our heart.
नाम करने पर
So by performing the Naam, Harinam, we can get everything.
इससे विश्वास को
But we don't have too much
घर में ले
faith.
आना,
So once we'll get this faith, so it's
है कि नहीं?
everything will be possible. If you chant the holy name at least 1 hour, it's very hard.
एक घंटा बैठकर हरि कथा श्रवण करो,
If you listen Hari Katha for at least 1 hour, it's very hard.
बाकी कर्म आदि
So rest of the काम we can do for many hours.
किंतु देखो
But
एक घंटा हरि
if
नाम
we
करो,
if we if we chant the holy name for 1 hour,
बहुत कठिन है
then it's really hard.
एक घंटा बैठने की कष्ट हो,
It's very hard to sit or at least 1 hour. When you are sitting
एक
for
घंटा बैठना
Hari Katha at 1 hour, at least 1 hour, then it's very hard.
इसलिए कारण
That's why it is saying
नाम
in
ही
this
के द्वारा
Kalyug, in this Kalyug, Naam will give you everything.
कुछ करना ही नहीं,
There is no need to do anything.
जन्म जन्म मुनि जतन कराई
Janam
अंत काल
Ram Naam
नाम
Avat Nahi.
कितने बड़े
There are many Sant Mahatma
भजन भी करते
who are performing bhajan and sadhan for birth after birth. They are taking,
मृत्यु के समय
but at that time of death,
बस दो अक्षर
they were just 2 letters,
नाम
Naam, Ram, Ram.
जिसमें गीत हो
They
जाए,
cannot pronounce properly.
लेकिन होना मुश्किल है,
It's very hard to pronounce at the time of death.
क्यों मुश्किल है?
Why it is impossible?
साधन नहीं करते
Because we are not performing sadhan.
हैं? यदि साधन
If we
करें,
perform sadhan properly,
नाम करते रहें,
while keep on chanting,
और यही नाम करते करते
and while keep on chanting this, then Naam Prabhu will dance on our tongue.
अभी हम नाम कर रहे हैं,
Now we are performing Naam.
देखो जब हमारी ऐसी स्थिति हो
When we get that stage when while keep on chanting, then Naam Prabhu spontaneously will dance on our tongue. Tunda tunde tunda.
उस समय नाम प्रभु स्वयं ध्यान
At that time, Naam Prabhu spontaneously will dance on our tongue. When we will keep on chanting again and again. That's why Rupa Goswami Pad is saying about the glorification of name in Vidak Badar Mahima. He is saying about the glorification of name. That's why we should always perform the Naam Sadhan with firm faith.
विश्वास के साथ
We have to perform the Naam with firm faith.
इसलिए करें मंगल समस्त मंगलमय वस्तु में क्या है?
So, the Naam Harinam is the topmost auspicious thing.
ये नाम ही
This name,
साधन और नाम ही
Sadhya. The Naam is Sadhan and Sadhya itself.
नाम ही क्या है?
Naam is Sadhan and Sadhya himself.
साधन में अपने
गोल को प्राप्त करने के लिए.
शब्द की प्राप्ति करने का जो उपाय
So Naam is the solution of getting their Sadhya Vastu, object, that is called Sadhan. For getting their object, whatever we are performing, that is called Sadhan. And what is Sadhya?
साधन के द्वारा
And while the Sadhan, while the performing Sadhan, what we want to get, that is Sadhya.
जैसे आप व्यवसाय पानी के बिजनेस करते हैं,
Yes, not just like you are performing, you are doing business. So business is Sadhan. And
और
get
बिजनेस करके आपको क्या मिला?
profit.
जो पैसा मिला, अर्थ मिला,
Whatever you got, the money, that is Sadhya.
ठीक उसी
In
प्रकार
the same way,
हरिनाम
Harinam is
साधन भी है और
sadhan himself and sadhya himself.
इसमें कोई भेद नहीं।
There is no difference.
ये नाम ही करते करते
I'll keep on chanting again and again.
नाम प्रभु
The Nam Prabhu
हमारे ज्ञान को
will always will manifest on our tongue
भी नाम
because Nam Chintamani
पूर्ण शुद्ध
Nitya Mukto Abhinna Nam Nami Nam.
नाम और नाम कोई भेद
There is no difference between name and name.
इसलिए संकीर्तन होते हैं पाप नाशन चित्त शुद्धि सरस्वती कृष्ण प्रेमोद्गम प्रेमामृत साधन कृष्ण प्राप्ति शिवामृत समुद्र
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying,
नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा पहले सारे हमारे पाप
so after performing the Nam sadhan, all the sin will be destroyed from, or all the sin will be destroyed. That's why Chetu Tarpana Marjanam.
चित्त रूपी दर्पण को क्या करना पड़ेगा
So why first we have to clean our heart.
नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा
So just because of Nam Sankirtan, so whatever the dust we have or mud we have in our heart, that will be go away. What is mal? What is that dust? So again and again getting birth in this material world. So there are many kinds of dust has been, many kinds of bad impression has in our heart, has take place in our heart. So that's why by the performing Nam and Sadhan we have to remove all these things, all this vikar, all this bad impression. So leaving one body to another body. So this same thing is happening for last infinite years, infinite times. There is no limit of that. Sometimes we got lady body, sometimes we got Purush body, sometimes Manushya body, and sometimes animals body and birds body. So it is happening for like last infinite words. So just because of our karma we are getting this kinds of body. So we have so much desires in our heart. So we have vasana, the desires, willing and the asakti in our hearts. So at the time of death, whatever we think about, so according to that we get new body. Ismar Kalevaram. So at the time of that, what kind of we think about, so we will get that kind of body. We will get that kind of body. Just like Bharat Maharaj's example is there. He had too much asakti towards Hiran. So when he was going to die, so he got Hiran body. He had too much asakti towards deer. So that's why in the next birth what he happened? He got the deer body. That's why Bhagwan is saying Antakalecha Mam Smara. Always remember me. Whoever when he is going to die and who is remember me, he will get me. He will get the abode of Bhagwan. And at the time of that, how we can remember Bhagwan? After while performing bhajan and sadhana, if we get the asakti towards name, then at the time of that we can remember Bhagwan. We can pronounce Bhagwan name, Ram Nam. There is no other way. At the time of that we can pronounce the name. Otherwise, in this world, what you have asakti towards anything, so you will get that kind of body. That's why Bharat Maharaj's example is giving there. Bharat Maharaj's story I told you because Sukdev Goswami Maharaj to Maharaj Parikshit, Bharat Maharaj left everything and he went to perform bhajan sadhan, and he got asked, he had too much attachment towards a deer. So whatever he had performed the bhajan sadhana, all has been destroyed. And he got the deer body just because of deep attachment to deer. And but he got the body. But there is a thing, he got the body of deer, but he remember all the things of a last birth. That's why wherever he saw the Sant Mahatma, that deer used to go there. He had the animal body. Nobody can understand. The animal cannot understand the man's language, the people's language. So whatever the Sant Mahatma is saying, he cannot understand. But while standing there, he was crying because he had the remembrance for last birth. Hey, I had the uh, Manushya body in my last birth, but now I am just because of asakti of deep attachment towards the deer, so I have got a deer body now. And at the time, at last, what that deer did. So remembering the Bhagwan, that deer left the body, and at that time left the next birth he got Manushya body. Manushya. He got the Manushya body. That's why his name became Jada Bharat. First time he was Bharat Bharat, then deer, and then Jad Bharat. Jad Bharat. That's why Jad Bharat. Why people used to say to him Jad Bharat? Because he never speak anybody. He remembered from the last birth that I was a deer. Just because of having the deep attachment towards the deer, I became deer. So he remembered for the last words everything. That's why he didn't speak to anybody. He always keep in mind busy in the remembrance of Bhagwan. So when he was in the deer body, he used to cry that whatever Sant Mahatma is saying, he cannot understand. But he was always crying and crying and crying. So after leaving the deer body, he got the Manushya body, the human form. So because it is saying just because of with the human body we can attain Bhagwan. बड़े भाग मनुष्य भावा सुर दुर्लभ सर्वग्रंथन गावा सर्वग्रंथन गावा दुर्लभ मानुष in the shloka it is mentioning that this human body is very rare. That means he didn't speak to anyone. He was just like a deep. He used to sit like a deep. बैठते थे. He used to eat and sleep. But he didn't talk to anyone much more. That's why people used to think that he is just like a dead body. He is just like Jad. Sometimes people say that you are Jad, who doesn't have life. It is just like a tree. Why? Because he knows that if I talk to anyone, maybe I can be attached with someone. That's why he used to keep himself away from everybody, and he doesn't speak anybody. If you speak to someone, then you will waste your time talking and talking and talking. That's why there is nothing in it. That's why he used to keep quiet always and remembers Bhagwan. He pretend like to be that I don't know, I don't understand anything.
किंतु क्या करते थे क्या
But what he used to do,
भगवत स्मरण
he
करते
always remember Bhagwan.
हैं आश्रम में क्या करते थे भगवत स्मरण करते मन ही मन भगवान के नाम रूप गुण लीला
So in their heart or mind, he always used to chant and remember Bhagwan. He always remember the Bhagwan's Leela Gun
जो
Roop.
भजन किया था उसी के वो
So,
स्मरण करते
so whatever he performed, what he performed bhajan and sadhan in the Bharat
जब वो
form.
हिरण जन्म लिया उससे
So
कुछ हुआ ही नहीं
so what when he got the dear body, he didn't do anything. He was used to go to the Sant Mahatma and he cried there. He used to cry there. But before that, he had the Bharat form, Bharat Maharaj form.
उसमें तो भजन साधन किया
He
था
did perform bhajan and sadhan too much. So just because of, he always remembered that bhajan and sadhan in this Jad Bharat body.
किसी के साथ प्रेम हो गया तो गए भगवान के साथ प्रेम है तो गए अच्छे है और
If you are loving Bhagwan, then if you love Bhagwan, then everything is good. But if you love with someone else, then
आप भी बोल रहे ठीक बोल रहे
whatever you're saying, it's right.
गए सर
Everything will be waste.
समझ में आ रही है
Have you got my point? What I'm trying to say?
देखो इतना भजन किया कि तो हिरण के साथ प्रीति कर
So because Bharat Maharaj performed so much bhajan sadhan, but he had a deep attachment towards deer. So that's why he destroyed everything. Now he got just the grace of Bhagwan, got a human form. In the form of Bharat, he performed bhajan sadhan by their heart and mind. He always remember Bhagwan, Bhagwan's Naam, Roop, Leela. That's why he took the birth in the form of Jad Bharat. He always be keep quiet. And but always remember Bhagwan. So we have to come back in the Katha. So why the Naam is a sadhan and sadhya both. What is the meaning of prem? Prem. You should always have a behavior with the people. You can generally you can talk with the people. Just like if you have to do business, you have a garment shop, and you have to say, Jipat. बाहर अच्छी करिए लोक व्यवहार अंतर्निष्ठा भरी करिए serve everybody externally but keep Thakurji in your heart.
व्यवहार करना पड़ेगा और अंदर में क्या है भगवान के प्रति
This is my mean to say that how we have to perform bhajan and sadhana. And always think in keep in your mind that Naam is everything. That's why every day chant Hari Naam. So we were describing the Katha or the topic. What does Naam do? Yesterday when we left the Katha, Vidyavadhu Jeevanam. Vidyavadhu Jeevanam. Naam is like a Vidyavadhu Jeevanam. Avidya. One is Vidyas and another is Avidya. What is the meaning of Vidya? It means to know with a dhatu. And what is the meaning of Vidya? To forget Bhagwan. That is Avidya.
इस संसार में जितने
In this
प्रकार की
world,
विद्या है, सब भगवान को बुलाए।
in this world, whatever, how, there are many kinds of vidya. Which what did it forget to Bhagwan. There are many scientists.
वो क्या है, भगवान की विश्वास नहीं
They don't trust or believe in God.
है। ये जड़ विद्या कहते हैं।
This is called Jad Vidya.
जड़ विद्या जो material
What it does, it's always
हमें क्या करते हैं?
it's help us to forget Bhagwan.
जितने भी साइंटिस्ट हो,
There are many scientists.
ज्यादातर क्या सब
They are Nastic. Scientists. There are many scientists. They are not.
सब विद्या में है।
This is called Jad Vidya.
देखो इसको ये क्या करते हैं उसमें? अहंकार पैदा करते हैं।
Jad Vidya. Whenever we are attaining so much Jad Vidya, so it's make our mind with full of ahankar. That where is Atma? They don't believe that we are this Atma. We are not this body.
मैंने देखा किसने?
Who have seen Atma? They always ask, who has seen Atma? Who has seen Bhagwan?
डर का है। अर्जुन अभी ऐसे एक आग में सारे विश्व पे कैसे करेंगे?
So now there is a coronavirus is going on, so everybody is just
कौन सा? अभी कोरोना
fearing from that.
हैं? ऐसे भी देश में ऐसे भी
There
देश
is
नहीं है।
no country where coronavirus is not affected.
ऐसे भी मनुष्य नहीं है।
There is no one man like who is not fearing from coronavirus, who is not taking escaping himself from corona.
सब आईडी
Everybody is too much afraid.
कोरोना दिखाई पड़ेगा।
Corona is you cannot see corona, but
सब नहीं सोच रहे कहीं
and everybody is thinking maybe I cannot. I can be positive when they go for testing. Everybody is fearing. Oh,
हैं? है कि नहीं?
is it possible?
इसलिए कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं?
That's why many people doesn't want to go for checking. Maybe I can get positive, corona positive,
अब पॉजिटिव आ गया तो फिर
and if they have positive, then Haribol.
ऐसा बात है सब तो नहीं
Is
सब
it true or not? Everybody is fearing.
हैं? ऐसे वायरस आज तक किसी ने किसी तक सुना ही नहीं।
You have never heard about this kind of virus in the world. First time it has come all over the world, and everybody is fearing.
हैं? बड़े-बड़े धन देश के
There are many kinds of richest people, England, America, everybody.
ये तो है अभी तो देख
But at the present time, what we are seeing, everybody is fearing. There is no one country, no country like that. It has not entered. You should read and you will come to know.
जहाँ पर ऐसे अमेरिका में सबसे बड़े-बड़े साइंटिस्ट
There are many scientists, doctors.
हैं? सब बैठे हुए हैं।
Everybody is sitting in America,
किसी किसका हाथ में नहीं लगे।
but nobody is taking, nobody is taking overcome of that.
दवाई भी काम नहीं
They are not able to make the vaccine of this.
कर नहीं पा रहे।
Vaccine.
लेकिन अब टीका नहीं पा रहे। हैं? ये सब बहुत सारे बता रहा है कि जो लोग क्षमता को बढ़ाने के लिए कोई काम करेंगे क्या तो कर रहे ठीक है।
So whatever they are trying to save themselves, it's good. But there is no vaccine available of that.
कोई वैक्सीन निकला नहीं। और ये तो साइंटिस्ट प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
But scientists are trying their level.
रिपोर्ट दे रहे हैं।
According to their report, they are trying.
फिर वो मनुष्य में करेगा
With they will test
प्रयोग
with,
करेगा फिर आगे बाजार में आएगा।
and then that will come up into the
अब
market.
आगे आगे कितने लोग काम करेंगे?
And when it will come, how long it will take, and many people will die that time. Till then,
इसलिए तो सारे देश ऐसे आपको
that's why all the country. If you read in the news, then there is no one country that there is no lockdown. Everybody is locked down.
ऐसे आज तक किसी ने देखा आपको
Have you seen ever this kind of thing?
भाई जैसे बताते हैं हरिनाम करें और ये सब नहीं जाएगा नाम करो
नाम
क्यों
करो,
नहीं जाए?
do
नाम
Harinam,
करो,
it will go away.
नाम के द्वारा संभव
Everything is possible by the Harinam.
है। और भगवान की इच्छा ही
If it is the wish of God,
है
then what to do?
भगवान की इच्छा है। लोग विश्वास नहीं करते ना, इसलिए स्वयं भगवान
People doesn't believe easily. That's why Bhagwan is showing this kinds of things.
ये कहते हैं ना
It is
कि
said,
भगवान के किसने देखा,
who has seen the Bhagwan?
उसको
Because people generally used to say that who has seen the Bhagwan? Now ask them that who has seen the Corona? Then why are you fearing?
हैं? आप बताओ,
Have you seen Corona?
जो बात छोटा हो माइक्रोस्कोप से दिखता हो, छोटा आंखों से नहीं दिखेगा। अरे भगवान को उसी पे लेना, भगवान
That's
को
why
जो माइक्रोस्कोप में देखा तो है।
Bhagwan has to see by the microscope.
भगवान को देखने के लिए
If you
और
need
क्या
to
चाहिए?
see the one Bhagwan, then you have to need bhakti.
हैं? ये कोरोना जड़ पदार्थ है,
This Corona is Jad Padar.
आप देख सकते हैं।
That's why you can see the white with the help of
और
microscope.
भगवान क्या है?
But who is Bhagwan is he is transcendental.
चित्त को देखने के लिए
So just seeing the transcendental, you have the heart of transcendental eyes or everything. Your senses must be transcendental. Then you can see Bhagwan.
इसलिए नाम करो।
And that's why I always perform Naam. Chant the holy name again and again.
चलो हम लोग जिस कथा प्रसंग में चल रहे हैं,
So now we have to come on this katha we were doing. Shray Kairav Chandra Vidya Vadhu Jeevanam. Shray Kairav Chandra
जीवन
Vidya Vadhu Jeevanam. Vidya means knowledge,
जानना
to know.
है, साविद्या तन्मति।
Sa Vidya Tanmati.
दो प्रकार की विद्या
There
है।
are two kinds of
एक है
Vidya.
जड़ विद्या
Jad Vidya
और
and
एक होता है
Adhyatma.
हैं,
Adhyatma.
धर्म
Adhyatma Vidya. Paramarthik Vidya.
और ये लौकिक विद्या और आध्यात्मिक विद्या, हाँ, पराविद्या कहा जाता
Which is called Paravidya. Shreshta Vidya.
है। उसके द्वारा ही भगवान का हम अनुभव करते हैं।
So by that Vidya we can realize Bhagwan.
जड़ विद्या के द्वारा जड़ वस्तु हम
With the Jad Vastu, with the Jad Vidya we can realize.
ये प्रोडक्ट इतनी सूक्ष्म है, उसके माइक्रोस्कोप से उससे
That it is said that this coronavirus is too much that we are unable to see. It is invisible like, so we can see by the microscope. So what we if we want to see Bhagwan, then what we have to do? We can see Bhagwan by the performing bhakti, because this is a transcendental thing. Hare
ये हरि कथा श्रवण करने ही भक्ति है। ये नाम करो ना,
the people is the one is asking the question that what is bhakti? What is bhakti? So Gurudev is saying
नाम करो ये
that
भक्ति।
hearing Hari Katha, this is bhakti. Chanting the holy name is a bhakti. There is people is asking what there is a difference between prema and bhakti. When the bhakti became firm, that it becomes
उसके जितने भी वो
prema.
बैल करते रहो, है, फिर वो क्या होगा?
Just like milk. Well, milk become tight when milk sleep at night, becomes
हाँ, तब
in morning tight.
मलाई करते हैं, मलाई। रबड़ी के उदाहरण लेना है। हाँ, मैं रबड़ी के लोग दही जमा के लोग निकालते हैं ना मक्खन। मक्खन से घी मिलेगा। अच्छा सुनो, इसलिए विद्या में विद्या शब्द के अर्थ में विद्या शब्द से विद्या
Vidya, to know. This is the meaning of Vidya, that to know.
ये दो वस्तु है,
There are
एक जड़
two.
वस्तु और
First is
एक
Jada Vastu and the Chid Vastu.
जड़ ज्ञान,
Jada knowledge,
material science का है,
which is called the material science.
material science है। जड़ विज्ञान के द्वारा जड़ वस्तु का हम जान सकते हैं।
So by the Jada Vigyan we can inquire or know about the Jada things. But by the Paravidya or Aparakara Vidya we can know about Bhagwan.
आत्मा क्या है?
What is the soul? Are
हाँ? परा और क्या होगा?
Jad Vidya or Paramarthik Vidya?
पराविद्या,
Paravidya.
हाँ, श्रेष्ठ
Para means the topmost.
श्रेष्ठ विद्या क्या है?
What is the topmost Vidya? That is to realizing Bhagwan.
जैसे उससे आत्मा इतनी सूक्ष्म है,
Deep,
माइक्रोस्कोप में नहीं आएगा।
too narrow, too small, that it won't come in the microscope. So how we have to realize that? By the performing Naam, Hari Naam. It will see. You can see that. That's why Vidya Vadhu Jeevanam. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, the Devta Loka is praying to Bhagavan. In the Bhagavatam, Devta is praying to Bhagavan. In this world, jeeps attracting towards Maya, and he is now that's why he is suffering from three tapa, Adhyatmik, Adidevik, Adibhautik. He is suffering. So for getting rid of all these things, please help us or mercy upon us. Please give us the shelter on your lotus feet. The Devtas are praying for Bhagwan until we get the shelter of Bhagwan. Till then we will wander or suffering in this world with the three tap, Adhyatmik, Adidevik, Adibhautik. Just like fire and burns, in the same way, Adhyatmik, Adidevik, Adibhautik tap is suffering us. They are burning us. Teen. First is Adidevik, which is coming from the Devta. Devta is giving us the suffering that is coming from Devta. That is called Adi Bhautik. Hari Bo. Nitai Gaur Premanande. Hari Bo. So we are suffering from the Rog Vyadhi. Where it is coming from? It is coming from the Devta. Devta Lok sometimes they are dissatisfied. That's why it is mentioned in the scriptures. When Devta get rude, they give us suffering. This kind of atoms they left. In this world, all the people are going to be Nastic. That's why Devta will not leave them, they will punish them. Who doesn't believe in Bhagwan, who is not serving Bhagwan. That's why it is saying, please always chant the name of Bhagwan, always serve Bhagwan. That's why it was saying. Have you got or not? There are many kinds of people who are coming. Where are they? They are coming from Devta. And Devta became pushed. This is Adi Devik. Adi Bhautik. What is Adi Bhautik? Just sometimes so. See, others jeeves gives us suffering. That is Adi Bhautik, like dog's white. Bhautik. So the other jivas giving us suffering, that is Adi Bhautik. And was Adhyatmik. So in mind we have so kinds of stress. Sometimes our minds goes here and there, and we got so much things in our mind and stress, that is called Adhyatmik. But while keep on chanting again and again, we will get rid all Tritapa. Everything will be destroyed gradually, and we will get peace. That's why it is saying Vidya Vadhu Jeevanam. This name will realize us. This name is very sweet. So it is comparing with that. Vidya Vadhu. Vadhu mane Vadhu ko Putra Vadhu. Not Apni Vadhu. Who is Vadhu? You know Vadhu? Vadhu means the bridegroom. Bride. Vadhu means bride. So who is Vadhu? Vadhu means is you have a wife, that is your Vadhu. If your father has Vadhu, it's your mother.
भाई हुआ
who has
है
done married, who has married,
इसे पुत्र
so
वधू
he
है
has
पुत्र के साथ विवाह होंगे
wife, that is
लेकिन
Vadhu.
उसको क्या कहा पुत्र वधू प्राप्त
That's why if your son got married, so we
आपके
say
बेटा
Putra
के
Vadhu.
साथ जिस लड़की के साथ विवाह हुआ उस लड़की को आप क्या करेंगे
With the girl your son got married, you call that Putra Vadhu.
समझ में आया कि नहीं
You got or not?
आपके पुत्र वधू है कि नहीं है
Have you? Do you have your son's wife? Or no?
बेटा बेटा है
Maharaji, I haven't got married yet. So from where I will get the son?
बेटा है ना
Have you
जब
son?
शादी कराओगे
Then you will make the marriage,
क्या करोगे
arrange the marriage of your son. So the lady, when the wife of that son will come, you will call her Putra Vadhu, son's wife.
इसके समझो अच्छी तरह
You have to understand properly.
एक है क्या
What is that?
स्वरूप के ऊपर
Sarup Gyan Upalabdhi, getting your own transcendental form.
इसी का जो शारीरिक का परम मंदिर क्या है वही अनुभव क्या है भगवान के अनुराग पर
So when we get that realization, so we will get too much love towards Bhagwan.
जिसके द्वारा भगवान में मोती जन्म
So
बुद्धि होता है और विद्या होने से संसार में चले जाते
So when we got avidya, so we forget Bhagwan and get our mind in this world. When we got the paravidya, so we develop a relationship with Bhagwan. So now you have come, you are performing bhajan and sadhan, you have taken the shelter of Guru. So now gradually you are going towards paravidya.
आप भजन करते थे नहीं
Do you perform bhajan sadhan? No. Do you chant the name?
दीक्षा मंत्र आदि की
Have you taken Diksha mantra from the Guru?
वो मंत्र आदि जप कर रहे
So you are chanting that mantra. So gradually you are going towards Paravidya. That is called Parabhakti.
अभी पहुंचे नहीं है
You haven't reached
अभी
that.
रास्ता नहीं है
You are on the way now.
अभी रास्ते में है
You are on the way.
ट्रेन अभी दिल्ली से मथुरा आ रही है
Train is coming from Delhi to
अभी
Mathura.
पहुंचे नहीं
But haven't you reached yet?
है 50-60 किलोमीटर दूर है
It is 50-60 kilometers away. The train is coming from Delhi.
दिल्ली से आ रही है मथुरा पहुंचे
So it will reach Mathura.
ठीक उसी प्रकार आप जो भजन कर रहे हो ना
Hari Bol. Or it's not working.
धीरे धीरे आप भगवान की तरफ
So you are performing bhajan and sadhan, but gradually what happened? Gradually you will realize Bhagwan. You will reach one day.
यदि आप अपराध नहीं किया
If you haven't commit offense and you are performing Nam, you have taken the shelter of Nam, but gradually you will reach there towards Bhagwan.
अर्थात जे कृष्ण अति कर भावन विद्या में से करे अविद्या खंडन कृष्ण से विद्या मधुर जीवन कृष्ण पाद पर में जे करे स्थिर मन एक पराविद्या हो जाए जो और माया जो अपने आप
When you go towards that Paravidya, then this Jad Vidya or Maya will keep you away from herself. So just like the train is coming from Delhi, so what happens? So Delhi is going far and far and far, and you are coming towards, when you are coming to near towards Mathura. So just in the same way we are performing bhajan and sadhan, or we are doing Harinam, so we are going towards Bhagwan, and spontaneously the Maya will remove you. So now you are going towards Bhagwan, so you are chanting the holy name, so you are going towards Bhagwan gradually, and then Maya will remove gradually. अरे भैया
परिणाम कर रहे हो ना परिणाम करने से कहाँ जा रहे हो और फिर पीछे कौन पड़ जाता है? माया। देखो ये तो समझ में आया कि नहीं? माया कहाँ है? बोलिए।
It's not working.
माया माया संसार में भी आसक्ति ही माया है। आसक्ति छूट जा कम होती जा रही।
So means you are not able to hear.
माया आसक्ति कम क्या होता है?
Okay. फोन ये ना
भाई ऐसे जल्दी जाना हो किसी को तो अरे ज्योति जाना नहीं था, धीरे धीरे जाओ।
FM
जल्दी वाली मत करो।
रेडियो
हैं? जल्दी पर गाड़ी चलाते हैं ना, एक्सीडेंट होने की संभावना है।
So if you drive so fast, then there is a chances of accident. So that's why. FM निकाल दो, इसमें FM निकाला।
Slowly and steady.
Wins करे, इसमें FM निकाल दो।
धीरे धीरे चलो।
बैटरी नहीं है, आपका फोन नहीं, इनका फोन नहीं है।
जल्दी करने की जरूरत नहीं, धीरे धीरे चलो। ठीक है ना? क्या बोला?
फोन है आपका? फोन
क्या समझ नहीं पा रहे? जैसे आदमी जैसे लैंग्वेज में आती है या फांसी लगा के एक गरीब बंदे फिर ऐसे कैसे बचा जाए?
हाँ ये देखिए
कैसे बचा जाए? तो फांसी किसी को लगाए, उसके मन की तनाव है ना।
Here somebody is asking that I am not understanding. So Gurudev is saying, after performing Harinam and Sadhan, Harinam and Bhajan, what you will do? You are going towards Bhagwan. Okay, so if you are going towards Bhagwan, then gradually Maya will leave you. Okay, so you are going away from Maya and you are going towards Bhagwan. Yani near to Bhagwan and away from Maya. So by performing Bhagavad Naam, you will realize gradually. It is not a one-day work. Gradually you will come to know. You will not be Pandit in one day. You have to go to school every day. No, it's not possible that you have gone to school one day and you are now scholar or Pandit. So what you have to do, you have to go to school every day. And then you will. It's not possible that you have come and come mutt in one day, and you have to come every day and listen Harikatha. First day you are not able to understand. Second day you are not understand. Then gradually, when you come gradually again and again, you will come to know. When you come to first day, you are not able to know what is Paramarth. Somebody is asking that Maharaj, when we come here, so many people stop us. So my house people used to stop me. You should come. That's why Gurudev is saying you have to come every day. Now you have come, now why are you worrying? It's not working. That's why Vidya Vadhu Jeevanam.
ये नाम हमें क्या करते थे? संबंध बना देते हैं और नाम ही हमें क्या करते हैं?
Naam develop our relationship.
नाम ही हमें क्या करते थे? आनंद प्रदान।
Then Naam develop our relationship. Naam provides us pleasure. So Naam is sadhan and sadhya both. So everything will be possible by performing Naam. And after that, Anam Buddhi Vardhanam, Vidya Vadhu Jeevanam, Anam Buddhi Vardhanam. So by the Naam, the ocean of Anand will up. So while the level of pleasure will increase too much again and again.
इसके सोने में आनंद होता है,
somebody is
क्या
taking
आनंद है?
somebody is taking
शयनानंद,
taking too much pleasure in sleeping, so who he is called Shayanananda.
शयनानंद है। हमारे प्रभु को पूछो,
Asked to
बैठे
our
बैठे
Prabhu.
कब सो जाते हैं, पता ही नहीं लगता।
So he is sitting, and when he slept, nobody knows. Are
अच्छा, बाद में भजन करना नहीं है।
okay, ask me.
समाप्त हो जाए तब
He is like, but he's huh? No, he is using. I don't know. You can ask. They both don't have battery.
आनंदमयी वर्धनम है, आनंद समुद्र की वृद्धि
पूछना किसी उनके है फोन है.
एकांतेन उदस्सनं तंजनाथ वंचित देवै भगवत् प्रपन्नः परि अद्भुत तच्चरितं सुमंगलं गायन्तं आनंद समुद्र मग्नाः। जब भगवान के चरण में एकांतिक रूप में शरणागति हो जाए,
When you take the shelter of one point towards Bhagwan feet,
और भगवान के ऐसे नाम गुण लीला आदि कीर्तन करते करते
and you will keep on chanting the Nam Rup Guna Leela, and you will take the rus in that,
और भगवान को अनुभव करें,
then you will realize Bhagwan.
अम्बुधि वर्धनम,
This is called Ananda Buddhi Vardhanam.
जैसे समुद्र की
Just like
जब
Samudra, ocean's water is increasing.
है, और समुद्र के सौंदर्य माधुर्य कैसे प्रकाशित होता है, बड़े बड़े
So how the ocean is look beautiful when the waves of the oceans ups and downs, ups and downs. So it looks so much beautiful that attracts everybody.
देखो इतने बड़े बड़े लहर,
There are many high
पानी ऐसे विचार हैं, सबसे पहले
levels of oceans. The waves of oceans are coming from there. It looks so beautiful.
तब देश में आकर के
When they come at the touch point at the bank,
और उससे लोग आनंद
so what happens? They go back, and people used to take so much pleasure. They dive there
थोड़ी सी ऐसे
and
हो
take
जाए
enjoyment. So if you go so far, then it will lead you to inside the ocean. Many people dies there.
इसके पैर हाथ पैर भी
टूट जाते हैं. Sometimes somebody's heart, some hands and legs are broken.
तो गोता लगा टूट गए और उनके पत्थर भी थे ये लगे।
Sometimes one of the devotees went there and he got
इसलिए कहते हैं
his neck was broken. So that's why it's saying the Anam Buddhi Vardhanam. So there is too much pleasure in the name of Bhagwan. It will increase too much. It will increase.
कंचनाथ एवं कंचन दिशवी भगवत प्रपन्ना अति अद्भुत तच्चरितम मंगलम सुमंगलम गायन्तम आनंद समुद्र मग्न। भगवान के नाम करते करते
While keeping on chanting the name of Bhagwan, so you will realize the many leelas of Bhagwan. It will comes in your mind spontaneously.
कोई कल्पना करना नहीं पड़ेगा,
There is no need to do imagine.
वो अपने आप
Spontaneously that will come out.
भगवान की लीलाएं
It will or spontaneously comes in your mind.
प्रतिपदं पूर्णं च साधनम, प्रति क्षण क्षण में
So after while you will realize that.
प्रतिपद में प्रति क्षण क्षण में
Pratichan, every pulse, every chant, every step, you will realize that. Anamudibara, it will increase.
प्रतिपदं पूर्णं च साधनम, देवो नमस्तु भगवान दारिद्र्य जीर्णोदन्तयम् समरग्नो मोक्षारिचक्षाणाम् आलोकेभ्यो कृष्णेति वर्णं जुगलं श्रमयति सन् आनन्दमूर्ति भवति नर्तिते सर्वमवृन्द। भगवत नाम श्रवण करके हृदय में
So hearing the name of Bhagwan, you will get pleasure in your heart. How you will realize that?
रोमांच कंपस
That is called Romancha Kampalashva. The tears comes out from your eyes while keep on chanting the name. When you realize the name, so the tears comes out from your eyes. It will spontaneously come out from your eyes.
कभी हंसते रहोगे,
Sometimes you will laugh,
रोते
sometimes
रहोगे,
you will
कभी
cry,
धुल पर
sometimes you will rolling on the ground.
एवं प्रणाम पुष्पा जतानुरागो विद्युत उच्चरी भक्ति रोधि रोधि गानुमारो नित्यति लोकवाच
Lokavachi.
पागल की भांति हंसते
So
रहो
you will laugh like a mad, and you will remember the pastimes of Bhagwan.
कभी रोते रहोगे
Sometimes you will cry.
हाय भगवान आपके दर्शन नहीं
Hey Bhagwan, I am not able to see you. I am not able to visit you.
भगवान भी क्या करते हैं
What Bhagwan will
अपने
do?
साथ किसी प्रकार क्या बोलते हैं
Hide and hide and seek.
हाइड एंड सीक
So Bhagwan used to play the hide and seek with the devotee.
कभी बच्चा
Sometimes a baby, he used to play the hide and seek with the mother. He hide himself and asked mother to please search me,
फिर बाहर आ जाते हैं
and he come out.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same
भगवान
way,
क्या करते हैं
Bhagwan used to play with Bhagwan. Sometimes he appears and sometimes he disappear. So when they give the darshans, after taking the darshan bhakti, get too much pleasure. And Bhagwan, what Bhagwan do after that? Then he disappears himself and hide himself. So whenever devotee is not able to view them, see them, so what happened? He got so much stress in his mind, and he always think, oh, where are you, Bhagwan? Where are you?
कभी मिलते हैं
Sometimes he can get him, sometimes he visits, sometimes he separate with shade. Sometimes he is not able to see. That's why it is saying.
उस समय रोमांचक कंपास
At that time, the Romanchakam Rashtu comes out, the Roms,
भाव में डूब जाते आनंद में
that sometimes goosebumps straight.
और सर्व अर्थ
Goosebumps,
समर्पण नाम के सर्व आत्म समर्पण उनके आत्मा क्या इसमें बिल्कुल प्रवेश करता है
So what happens that the soul enters deeply, too much deeply. They enter in the leelas. They think about too much leela and observe in their minds. Their mind observing the leelas of Bhagwan. How do we take bath? Have you ever been in the pond? Have you taken bath in the river Ganga? We always drown ourselves as we used to take shower in our home at home. So we take water, but here how we can take bath? Just like we take the bath in the Ganga or Yamuna, we drown ourselves into the water. In the same way,
प्रेम समुद्र में
so we drown ourselves in the love of Bhagwan, ocean of love of Bhagwan.
राजहंस
Just like a Raj and Swan,
है समुद्र में
he enter into the sea, and then after some time he comes out.
देखा ना
Have you seen this?
हमसे देखा हंस
Have you seen the swan?
हमसे देखा नहीं
Have you seen?
है हमारे इसमें क्या बोले
Jagannath? In the Govardhan, people used to have some swan there.
जैसे कि होता है
They always dipped into the ocean, in the water, and then come down. They live 2-3 minutes in the water, and then they comes out.
ठीक उसी
In the
प्रकार
same way,
आनंद समुद्र में क्या करते हैं होता है
we always drown ourselves in the
बिल्कुल स्नान
pleasure of ocean of Bhagwan.
यमुना में स्नान करते
Have you taken bath in
जैसे
Yamuna?
आप डुबकी लगाए
When you take down
शरीर क्या होता है
in yourself into the Yamuna, all the body will
उससे
wet.
क्या होता है शरीर में शीतलता
So then you will feel cold in your body.
निर्मल पवित्र
Your heart and your body will be pious.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
नाम करते करते
so while performing the Naam,
उसी प्रकार प्रेम समुद्र में आप
you will, the same way you will drown yourself into a Prema Samudra, the love, ocean of love.
और इस संसार के सारे दुख आपको क्या हो जाए
And all the sorrow will be destroyed of this world.
जिस प्रकार वायु के द्वारा हवा के द्वारा बादल क्या हो जाता है बढ़ जाता है
As when air flow, so the clouds go away So in the same way, when you chant the holy name, so all the bondage of this material world will go away,
और भगवान की लीला में
and you will enter in the Leelas of Bhagwan.
अशेष विनाशे ये गुरुवायुत में कुछ तमासे चित्ते प्रवेशिया दोष अशेष विनाश कृष्ण नमासे चित्त दर्पण ज्ञान अति शीघ्र भवेति कृष्ण प्रेम धन उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
भगवत नाम करते करते
when you perform the Bhagwan Nam, you will realize all the things.
जैसे कहते हैं इस 7 प्रकार के लक्षण आपको दिखाई
There are 7 types of symptoms you will see.
क्या क्या पहले बताया
First one,
पहले कहा चेतो दर्पण मार्ग
Cheto Darpana Marjana,
Bhava
Bhava Mahadava Nirvapanam,
श्रेया कैव
Shreya Kera Chandrika,
विद्यावधु
Vidyavada Jivanam, Anam Buddhi Vardhanam,
प्रतिपदम
Patipadam Punyamritam,
सर्वात्म
Sarvatma Samarpyam.
साथ में देखिए
There is 7 symptoms you will get. Yes, Managina. Managinas.
क्या कहते हैं
Cheto Darpana Marjanam, Bhava Mahadava Nirvapanam, Niprapanam, Shreya Kera
श्रेया कैव
Shreya Kera Chandrika, Vidyavadu Jivanam.
4 नंबर में आ रहे विद्यावधु
Vidyavadu Jivanam is the 4th month. Anam Buddhi Vardhanam.
आनंद की मुदी और प्रतिपदम पूर्णम स्थान
Sripadam Mundam
पद
Swadatam.
में आगे क्या होगा आनंद
At the step by step, you will get so much pleasure.
सप्तम क्या है
And the 7th one is
सर्वात्म
Sarvatma Sam.
हैं
Param Vajayate Shri Krishna.
उसमें आप गोता लगाएंगे
So you will drown yourself in that love or on that pleasure. So you will enter in the Leela of Bhagwan.
अपने शिव शरीर के द्वारा
So you will get your own transcendental form, and getting that you will enter into the Leela of Bhagwan. You will serve Bhagwan. This is called
सर्व आत्मा
Nivedanam, Samaranam, Sarva Atma,
स्नान करते हैं स्नान की
Sarva Atma Spanavanam.
शरीर में स्निग्धता आता है शीतलता आनंद अनुभव अभी गर्मी के समय 3 बार 4
Sometimes
बार जितने स्नान
in the hot, in the summer, you are taking shower for 3-4 times. So you will get shitalta, you will get coolness in your body.
ठीक उसी
In the
प्रकार
same way,
भगवत नाम
when you will chant that, when you will chant the holy name again and again, you will get this kind of feeling.
है ये शिक्षा तक के 23 श्लोक
Shishta Shaks first shlok.
ये 7 जो भाव तुमने बताया
So I told you 7
एक
bhav.
एक भाव 7 के भाषा से एक बात एक एक जाम में फिर वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं
So he expressed the one shloka, and now after in 7th chapter he is explaining one bhav, one bhav, one bhav, step by step. First is Chatudarpana Marjana, how to clean the heart. While chanting the name, you will clean your heart. When it comes, when you have faith. So with the faith,
श्रद्धा के साथ अपन क्या करना चाहिए
what you have to do with Harinam, you have to chant the holy name with the firm faith. You have faith in your mind. What is firm faith? That everything will be go away with Harinam.
श्रद्धा संदेह विश्वास कई सुदृढ़ निश्चय कृष्ण भक्ति कई सर्व धर्म है श्रद्धा क्या है ये दृढ़ विश्वास
What is Shraddha? The firm faith that everything can be possible by this Harinam.
फल किसमें मिला
This is firm faith. This is Shraddha. What is Shraddha? That I will get everything with this Harinam.
दान पुण्य आदि के जितने भी फल किसमें मिलता है हरिनाम के
So everything kinds of pious activities, fruit I will get in this Harinam.
इसमें उच्च कोटि के संत महात्मा
That's why the higher,
लिप्त नहीं होता
that's why the higher stages Sant Mahatma always engage themselves in the Harinam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
अभी श्रद्धा कम है
You have a lacking of Shraddha this time, that's why you are doing all these things. But while keeping on doing on this again and again, you will get Sukrati,
ये प्रकृति के फल
and you will after that Sukrati, and then in the fruit of Sukrati you will get Sadhu Sang. Then you will get the Sadhu Sang, and after getting the Sadhu Sang you will get Ruchi.
भाव अंतर है
Bhav will come at the last.
ये नाम के प्रथम है।
So I'm telling about the name.
और इसमें संत महात्मा सेवा करते
So that's why you have to do Sarva, Sant Mahatma.
नाम करो और संत महात्मा सेवा करो।
Chant the holy name and serve Sant Mahatma.
समझ में आ गई? क्या करना
Chant
पड़ेगा
Guru
आपको?
Vaishnav, serve Guru Vaishnav. What you have to do? You have to serve.
है? जैसे प्रभु जी काल में सेवा के
Just like yesterday, Prabhu ji did
भजन करा
Sant
दिया
Mahatma.
हैं?
Yes, sir.
क्या भजन कराया? हाँ? छोले भटूरे खिलाए सबको ना?
Yesterday, what Prabhuji did? He served the Sant Mahatma. Chole Bhature. Everybody was pleased.
हाँ? आज तक पढ़ा था कम होता है। ये लाल आदमी है। दोपहर को भी दिया था। हाँ, दोपहर को दिया था। देखो,
He is very hard. He is very kind-hearted. There was too much Chole Bhature that everybody was taking from morning to evening and to night.
हाँ? दोपहर को मैं पढ़ा है। सुबह के 3 से पढ़ा था, हमारे सुबह कहा था, हमारे भाई ने ये सोचा। खिलाओ। संत महात्मा की सेवा करते हैं ना।
So he is serving the Sant Mahatma. They are making Sukriti.
सुकृति बढ़ जाएगा।
So the Sukriti will increase, then they will get the taste in Nam Harinam. It's not possible. You are doing Nam Harinam, that's good. Then, so as well as you have to serve Sant Mahatma. He has to use every day. In the Govardhan Parikrama, he always feed the people, feed the devotees. This is the rule of Brajvasa. That this is the Vishesh special quality of Brajvasi. Who is Brajvasi? So whenever Brajvasi sees the Sant Mahatma, he will serve them. This is the quality of Brajvasi. Who is Brajvasi? First, who is Shrestha? Someone is eating himself and someone is feeding 10 people more. So who is Shrestha? Some is feeding for thousands of people. Who is making himself and eating himself? He is selfish. He is just filling up his stomach. And another kind of person who doesn't get or not, but he selfish, swarthy. And another one who is feeding many people, so he is Shrestha. This is the symptoms of Brajvasi. Who is Brajvasi? Who always serve. You cannot lead money to the higher abode. Do you serve or not?
ये सेवा करते हैं तो घर वाले बोलते हैं पागल हो रहा है, सेवा करता है इसलिए।
Who is Brajvasi? Who served the Sant Mahatma? This is the Lakshan of Brajvasi. Symptoms of Brajvasi. I used to tell a story sometimes. There was a Brajman Parikrama was going on. There were many thousands of people who were there. And we went to a Braj, and a village of Braj. I have seen earlier with my Gurudev. Whenever you go to in a village, all the arrangement will be done by the villagers. Have you seen that? We used to go to Tapovan and many so the villages people all arrangement and Mansarovar, they arrange all the Brajvasis. Puri, sabji, kheer, and good. There are two kinds of vastus. Malpua, what? First is Malpua and second is kheer. This is special things of Brajvasi. They will feed you. There are many Sant Mahatma came So they have to they arrange for everybody. They have too much enthusiasm. They are very simple. They want to spend their money for the Sant Mahatma. They don't worry about anything. So we will get the food further on, or they know that Bhagwan has given us. They have too much lands. When we go to some places, we used to see that. Now we are not going for last many years. In that villages, all the Brajvasi used to arrange everything. Puri, sabji, and all the Brajvasi and all the villages people used to make that. When we used to go to Charan Pahadi, Choti Charan Pahadi, there is a footprints of Bhagwan. So all the religious people used to arrange everything. No, there is no need to make you. He used to say that we will make that. We will feed you. Malpua, they made Malpua and Kheer, and they feed everybody. So one Sant Mahatma who was Falahari, who used to take on Falahari, the religious people they always used to speak in Allah. Saleh, why are you not eating? Saleh, kha. Saleh, bat. Saleh, eat. Brajvasi is abusing like in a very sweet way. Saleh. Oh, Saleh bencho, kha. Salah bencho. It's not eating. Saleh bencho, kha. Eat. I am Falahari. Hey, bencho, kha. He used to say. When the kind of Brajvasi speak, it looks so beautiful. It will not hurt you. He told me Saleh Bhenchot. So it is sweeter than the Malpua and Kheer. Then Sant Mahatma left far and eating the things. This is the tongue. This is the language of Braj. With the Braj abuse, it look like more sweeter than Brajvasi. Who has love? Who doesn't have love? And if they abuse, then the people will hurt. So there is a difference. They will fight each other. So why did you say me Saleh Bencho? And that Brajvasi started eating the food. He left every falar and everything. Who is Brajvasi? Who always engage himself in the service of Sant Mahatma. Look, our this Prabhuji, he used to serve always. He is performing bhajan sadhana. It has been done. Why he is taking the birth in the Braj? Because he is performing bhajan sadhana so many births. Who has passed MA PhD? So what we say that I haven't read. What I am saying? Well, listen. What I am saying. One man has passed MA PhD. So what he said that I haven't read. Why? He is saying this humbly, but it doesn't mean that he doesn't know that I'm educated. He is educated, but saying humbly. He used to teach the people. And just for teaching them, they always used to read and then they teach. Sometimes the people who used to teach in colleges, they studied at their home and then they teach the people, student. First they have read everything. They have studied for 25 years MA PhD and they got the certificate, then he become professor. But when they go to school, they used to study at home first and then they teach the people. It's not possible they gone and started lecturing there. That's why. So who has taken birth in Braj, they have done already everything in their previous birth. But it is not possible to take birth in the Braj. You don't know. You don't know. You have done everything. That's why what is the fruit of bhajan? The service. And you are doing seva, and as well as you have to do Harinam. That is called Nam Seva. Somebody says that I am Brajavasi, I want to chant the name. No, you have to do Nam Seva. That's first, the professor always read first and they teach. That's why you always chant the name. So you realize by chanting the holy name again and again. So whatever I told you, so what is the essence of everything? Harinam and service. Nam Seva, Seva, Nam. Nam Seva, Seva, Harinam. Nam Seva, Seva, Harinam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram,
ये तीन प्रकार की सेवा है। मानसिक सेवा कोई करते, मन के तरफ की सेवा करते, और कई शरीर के द्वारा सेवा करते।
Some people by the Harinam, some people are by body, some people are doing others by
तीन प्रकार की सेवा,
कायिक, वाचिक, मानसिक. तीन. Bodily, कायिक, by bird and by mind. By the body, अरे नहीं, तन मन नहीं, कायिक, वाचिक, मानसिक. First you have to do by the body. You should clean the temple. You are preparing rasoi and whatever you are doing, this is doing by the body. By the words. So doing kirtan and katha. In Mansik, by the mind, you have to serve Bhagwan. This is the topmost. This is the topmost. You will take some time and then after chanting the holy name, so you will realize by mind. Now we are hearing katha. So when hearing this katha again and again, what our Guru used to say, so by body chant the holy name, by hand chant the holy name, and in the mouth Ram Seva हाथ में, Ram Seva हाथ में.
मुख में राम नाम राम सेवा हाथ में, तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा साथ. मुख में क्या है भगवान ने दिया, मुख दिया किससे?
So you are chanting the holy name by the tongue. Why has we have got this tongue just chanting the holy name? Yes, we have to eat, but not only for eating, but we have to chant the holy name too. That is nothing. Why we have to serve by the hand? We have to prepare so many beautiful dresses and poshak. Take the woman, prepare so many beautiful dresses prasad and clean the temple of by the hand. Bhagwan has given you a hand. Sweep this temple. Clean everything. Do jhadu and pocha of this temple. I have seen in Raman Bihari Gaudiyamma temple in Delhi Mutt in the morning after Mangala Aarti. Everybody has distributed their seva. The ladies comes out from the outside. Some are doing sweeping, some is cleaning, some is doing anything. So they have different kinds of seva distributed in themselves. So they should have this kinds of feelings. That is called Mandir Marjan Seva. Someone is preparing for Thakurji or Rasoi. Some people used to cook for Gurudev every day. So they have distributed their seva. One day any bhakti is doing, second is other bhakti is doing. Not at their home. They used to make at temple. It will take 1 hour. So that's called seva paripati, the tendency of service. Some people used to do Sringar of Thakurji so beautifully. So when everybody used to take darshan of Thakurji, it looks so beautiful. So this is called the tendency of service. I have seen Delhi Mutt. The tendency of service is distributed amongst every devotees. They used to cook Thakurji for Chakachak Prasad. Chakachak, you don't understand? Beautiful, awesome, delicious. The devotee used to cook delicious food for Thakurji. Yes, everything will be good for Thakurji. Must be good for Thakurji. In Delhi Mutt, I have seen this. They have the tendency of service very nicely. What to tell? No, I don't have to word. We have to find the qualities. Beautiful. The temple is very clean. That's why we must have the seva bhava. Bhagwan has given us this body. Why? For seva. That's why it is saying, Mukh mein Ram Ram, Ram seva haath mein. Chant the holy name by your mouth and always have the service by your hands. तोड़ दे छोड़ नहीं पाओगे अब चेष्टा करो वो तो नहीं पाओगे एक दिन इसलिए जल्दीबाजी मत करो तुम छोड़ने का प्रयास मत करो भगवान छोड़ देंगे छूट जाएगा. Don't try to be early. Bhagwan will do everything himself. So spontaneously everything will be done. If you try to leave everything, then Maya will capture you. So don't do anything. Don't try to leave everything. Bhagwan will arrange everything. So as the thief will try to run away from the police will catch him instantly and beat him. Sometimes people used to go away used to give up from the police. But what police did? They chased them, caught them, and beat them. Nowadays, if you go so long, then police will chase you and caught you and beat you 2 more. You have done the offense. The more you will go, the more will police chase, and the more will she caught, then more will beat. चलो तुलसी पूजा. That's why छोड़ दे. राम तेरे साथ है, सीता राम. How we have to develop a relationship with Bhagwan. Gradually make our relationship with Bhagwan. Till then, and you have to service Bhagwan 20 years. If you try for 1 day, then it's not possible for you. Gradually you have to learn and hear the katha. When you get the faith and mamata. You got it? Not. Are you getting me? You know who is Mamta? You have the Mamta with Thakurji. When you used to come every day and serve Thakurji, so you will get attachment towards Thakurji with Thakurji. You will get pleasure. Then what you have to do every day? We should come every day temple daily. We should spend some time at the temple, at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You have to sit here 10 minutes and first 5 minutes service something, and then you can go. Little. Not everything is not possible in one day. When you will get the Mamta, everything will be leave. Jodo. I don't say leave, give up. I said always attach. Add yourself with the Krishna consciousness. Living word. Nata jodo. Make a develop a relationship with Bhagwan. What I said? अरे listen to me भैया, तुम कहाँ दर्द देख रहे हो? अरे भैया, what I said? You have to add yourself with Bhagwan. There is no need to run away. Add the relationship with Bhagwan. How? You come every day. Then automatically the relationship will be according to your time level. That if you have time for 10 minutes, then come for 10 minutes. There was a Khajanchi, the treasurer. Did you know? There was a treasurer in our temple. Om Prakash father. He was Khajanchi, like treasurer. He used to work treasury house. He used to work in a hospital. Every day he used to come here. It's raining, thundy, cold, summer, whatever the weather it is. He used to come there daily. And she was also used to come there. He was Khajanchi Sahab. Khajanchi Sahab used to come every day. Thandi, Garmi, Barsat, Aandhi, Tufan, every time. रोज आते थे रोज. वह रोज आते थे. वह हाजिरी लगाते थे यहाँ पर. कम से कम 10 minutes. You have to make a rules for coming here. You are very naughty. What I said? Every day you should come. You have to come. And gradually you will get mamta, attachment towards Bhagwan. When it will be developed, nobody knows. But every day you have to come. Why I am giving an example? The Khajanchi Sahab, he used to come. He's in this temple daily. He was working somewhere, but still he used to come. And he used to come daily for visiting Thakurji, for taking darshan of Thakurji. He offered pranam to Guruji. I haven't seen these people like him. After Khajanchi Sahab, I haven't seen many people some people come for 4-5 days and then disappear. But you have to come regularly. Every day you have to come at the temple. This is the niyam you have to follow. And you have to sell something here. That's why it's saying, Mukh mein Ram Naam, Ram Seva, Haath mein. हाथ में एक नाता राम जी से दूसरा नाता छोड़ दें. एक नाता राम जी से दूसरा नाता छोड़ दें. ये तो तुम कर नहीं पाओगे. देखो धीरे धीरे छोड़ो. हम नहीं कह रहे एक दिन छोड़ दो. नहीं धीरे धीरे छोड़ो. हम क्या कहते हैं जोड़ो.
फिर बाद में हमने ठाकुर जी छोड़ा ना, ठाकुर जी हमें देना कर दिया।
देखो ठाकुर जी आपको छोड़ेंगे नहीं, ठाकुर जी आपको बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ेंगे,
ठाकुर जी को भी छोड़ेंगे,
ठाकुर जी कभी नहीं छोड़ सकते।
ठाकुर जी आपके पास है,
ठाकुर जी पास हैं आपके,
वो जो कह रहे हैं आओ, हमारे
वो
देखो,
इसलिए बोले आओ,
ठाकुर जी खड़े
मेरे
कैसे
पास
हैं?
आओ।
बताओ।
क्यों खड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पे वो?
जानते हो, हैं? जो भक्त लोग आए ना उसके मिलने
Why
में
Thakur
कहीं
ji is
देर ना हो
standing
जाए,
here?
खड़े हो।
Thakur ji is standing in this form. Why he is in standing form? Because if my devotee comes, then I will run towards him. That's why he is standing position always in every temple. Have you ever seen in every temple that Thakur ji is standing everywhere? Why he is standing? Why he doesn't sit?
खड़े खड़े होकर ठाकुर की टांग में दर्द हो गई।
He is standing there, so maybe he must be tired. So, but he is standing because he can run away towards Bhakta.
ठाकुर जी क्या करते हैं?
He will.
आलिंगन करने के लिए।
So that's why if there is a devotee is coming in the temple, so maybe I cannot
ठाकुर जी खड़े रहते हैं तुम्हें
that's why Thakur ji is always standing position
स्वागत करने।
for welcoming the devotee.
गुरुदेव आते हैं,
Yes, just
जिसको
like
माला लेकर के दरवाजा पर
whenever Gurudev comes, so disciples always used to take garments and other for Thakur for the Gurudevs.
मैं मेरा
Gurudev, please wait for at the door because my garland is not properly done. I'm going to buy some flowers. So till then, Gurudev, please stand at the door.
ऐसे नहीं,
It's not like that.
गुरुदेव आने के साथ ही साथ
So once Gurudev arrived, you have to welcome him at any cost.
गुरुदेव आते हैं,
Whenever Gurudev comes, what Sasisha do? They always welcome.
देखो भगवान भी उसी प्रकार है।
It's in the same way Bhagwan is always standing position. My
भगवान के खड़े
dear devotee is coming.
है, मुझे ना देर ना हो जाए,
Maybe I can do some late, make some late.
है, जिसके कथा हम सुनाते हैं ना,
And I used to tell the story.
गुरु ऋषि के कथा सुनाते
Raghu Rishi.
हैं। भगवान विचार करते हैं, एक भक्त आकर के इतने पैर में लात
Bhagwan
मारा,
used to say that there was my devotee. He kicked me on my chest.
है, लेटो करने।
That's why I will. They have decided that I won't lay down. I will
और जितने भगवान के है ना,
Vigrah.
विग्रह है ना, वो खड़े नहीं।
So just except Kshirakshara Vishnu, all the Vigrahs of Bhagwan is in a standing form.
कथा सुनते हैं कि नहीं?
Have you heard this story?
है? ये साई विष्णु
Shirashai Vishnu, he is sleeping
योग निद्रा में।
in a yoga nidra, and when Raghu Rishi went to them,
मैं आपको सो रहे।
he kicked him on his chest.
शिवजी ने क्या कि गए और
What
अपने
Raghu Rishi did?
छाती पर
He
रख और वो गिरा दी।
kicked on his chest. That's why Thakur decided I want to sleep from this time at this time. That's why he is in a standing form. Whenever devotee comes, he is ready to hug him.
स्वागत करने के
He
लिए
is ready to welcome the devotee. Oh my dear devotee, please come. I will hug you. That's why Thakur ji is in a standing form.
कहीं देर ना हो जाए।
Maybe I can make late.
भाई जो काना होता है ना, जिसको आंख में देखा नहीं पड़ता, तो क्या बोलते हैं? ब्लाइंड। काने में काना होता है ना,
काने को deaf.
अंदर व्यक्ति एक बार अपने
blind-
कान को खो देते हैं, बार-बार थोड़ी खोलते हैं।
A blind man can leave their stick for one time, but not all the time.
जो अंधा होता है ना,
If who is a blind who used to take the
एक बार
stick,
हाथ से लठी चला गया, फिर
maybe
कभी
he has
वो
lost sometime his sticks, but after that he won't leave his stick off from his hand.
पकड़ के देखे।
He will always hold the stick.
उसी प्रकार भगवान विचार करने लगे,
So Bhagwan used to think that I was laid down in one time, then Raghu came and he kicked on my
और भृगु ऋषि
chest.
भृगु ऋषि ने आकर के
So he decided that I won't lay down
जोर से
from
मारा।
now.
है, और क्या होगा? और जो मारा तो मारा मेरे पत्नी के सामने।
And he used to kick on Charan Seva.
ठाकुर जी की
And at the time Lakshmi ji was doing Charan Seva of Thakur ji, and if someone kicked anybody before his wife, so then Patni the wife will used to scold every day to me. I know everything that you are this kind of that kind person.
बाहर अनजान में कहीं मार दिया मालिक।
अरे कुत्ते पता खत्म करो.
है? अब उसको मारा था लक्ष्मी देवी उस समय।
At that time Lakshmi Devi was doing the seva, and Bhagwan thought maybe other devotee can hit me like this, so that's why I won't sleep anymore. I will stand every time. That's why Bhagwan is taking the form of always every time. Maybe the Bhakta has come, that's why Bhagwan is standing form. Why the Thakurji is standing? Maybe he is paining in his feet. So we used to say that he is standing for you. Maybe you can take his darshan for welcoming you. Bolo Vrindavan ki jai. Thakurji is very lovable. चलो भैया आरती करो भैया भैया सत्या प्रभु ओ सत्या प्रभु
कृष्ण हइते चतुर्विधा कृष्ण सेवन ब्रह्मा हइते नारदेर मूर्ति नारद हइते दश मत कहें व्यास पूर्णावता वसना वरुति निहोरि माधवं से शिष्यावली अंगीकार करे अक्षरा शिष्याय कीर्तनामे परिचय तार दर्शे ज्ञान सिंधुना